Manufacturing quality control is becoming increasingly more complex. Parts and assemblies are getting smaller, more intricate, with tighter tolerances. Quality compliance standards are more demanding as well, costing hours in paperwork for every part you make. That's why High QA is reimagining the quality management process. Our comprehensive quality management software optimizes your quality planning, inspecting, and reporting with intuitive tools that help your teams deliver high-quality parts in record time. High QA's advanced OCR technology supports both 3D models and 2D prints, enabling fast and accurate automatic ballooning with just a single click. It's that simple. Once ballooned, inspection planners can easily assign criticality, define inspection tools and methods, and even group dimensions into specific operation steps. Since our planning tools are paperless, revisions are pushed to the shop floor in real time. Inspection results are immediately available as well, with automatic synchronization from CMMs and our shop floor data collection apps. Reporting is just as simple. In a few clicks, our software can generate fully customizable first article inspections, PPAPs, or any other report formats you might need, all just in minutes instead of hours. From small-town job shops to global enterprises, High QA is trusted by manufacturers around the world. We're helping companies at all levels, and we can help you too. Let's take a closer look at how High QA can empower your shop floor. Manufacturing inspection data is both time-consuming to collect and challenging to accurately analyze and report. Quality teams often waste hours chasing scattered results from inspectors and CMM operators. Even after results have been collected, this data still requires manual transcription in order to analyze or report, costing additional time and introducing potential errors. Now, there's a better way. High QA's quality management platform provides a centralized database for all of your inspection data, analytics, and reports, no matter how or when they're collected. Our suite of data collection apps interface directly with digital gauges, barcode scanners, and human input in order to aggregate inspection results right from the shop floor. Working with automated inspection equipment, High QA's advanced import engine pulls result data from CMMs and vision systems automatically. That way, all inspection results are visible in real time as soon as they're collected. Our built-in analytics, reporting, and dashboard tools provide immediate visual feedback for progress across the manufacturing lifecycle. In-process inspection results can be monitored in real time to identify undesirable trends, make necessary adjustments, and prevent problems before they occur. If a feature doesn't pass inspection, NCRs can be immediately generated, and automated alerts keep your management teams informed, no matter where they are. All of these tools add up to one incredible result: accurate and actionable inspection data in a fraction of the time. Our clients report an average 5 to 10 times efficiency increase, meaning projects that took 10 business days to complete are now finished in just 1. Empower your teams with the tools they need to succeed. Contact a High QA quality specialist today.